Hey my friends, this is Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about the number one separator from successful people and failures. Because the number one thing that separates people is single-mindedness. You see, if you want to become successful, you must be single-minded in your purpose. And the reason why people fail is because they have so many things going on in their mind. They're too chaotic. They're so iffy about who they are and what they want in life. And if you want to break through that cloud of conformity, what you need to do is to understand exactly who you are and what you're all about. And the only way you can ever find out who you are and what you're about is to become single-minded in that purpose of finding out what your purpose is. But assuming that you know exactly what your purpose is, the next thing you need to do is to stay single-minded within that purpose. You need to figure out what are the core things that you need to do every single day to keep you focused on your path. Because every single person has a path. But the only way to follow that path is to have that straight line focus. You see, for me, I know exactly what I want to do in this world. I have a clear path, and I'm single-minded in that path. And when I began my journey, I told myself there are only about 5 things that I need to do every single day, no matter what, to stay single-minded. My question for you is, what do you need to do every single day to stay single-minded on your purpose? Maybe you need to read an hour every day. If you're someone who's never read a book, but you start reading an hour every day, in 5 years, that can change your life. In 5 years, you could do something that you never even thought you could have done. What are some other things that you can focus on? Let's say you have a craft that you need to master. Maybe you're great at cooking. Maybe you're a great mechanic. Maybe you are a phenomenal musician. Imagine if you cultivated 8 hours a day on your craft every single day for the rest of your life. What do you think is going to happen over time? This is the power of the compound effect. This is the power of single-mindedness. And I believe that if you want to take that next step in your life, you need to figure out a few things that you can be single-minded about. If you understand how important this is, then you will do whatever it takes to embrace it in your life. You will make it real in your life. You will do whatever it takes to stay focused on the goal that God has set within your heart. And you're never going to deviate from that goal because you know exactly what it is that you need to do every single day, every single week, every month, and every year. So my friends, I want you to stay single-minded on everything you do starting today. I want you to make a list of 5 things that you need to do on a daily basis and focus on doing those things every day for the next 30 days. And here's something else that you really need to know. Every single task that you undertake can be measured, can be managed, and will be mastered. But it's up to you to decide what kind of numerical value you want to put toward that task. Maybe you can read 30 minutes a day and then increase it to 1 hour a day. Or let's say you're a business owner or a sales professional and you need more customers. Contact 5 people every day. If 5 is too low, go for 10. Do whatever it takes to count the numbers, but also do whatever it takes to make the numbers count. And I also want you to remember this. Before you look outside and think about how you're going to accomplish your goal, what you need to do is to look within your inner soul. Because before you achieve what's in the exterior, you have to focus on what's going on in the interior. Before you achieve the physical, you have to achieve the spiritual first. This is the key to success. This is the key to single-mindedness. Guys, this is Aldie, and I just shared with you exactly what you need to do in order to reach your biggest goals that you have in your life. If you understand how important single-mindedness is, then you will never stop focusing on the person that you know you were called to be. My friends, do big things in your life. Share this video with someone else that absolutely needs it. And if you like this video, make sure to type purpose in the comment section below. I look forward to your growth, and I look forward to watching you become exactly who you know you were divinely designed to be. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.